will she fall next? Who knows? I've got a great view, so I'll see you in Portugal. Okay, so we've arrived. Jamie, say hello.
Hey.
Say hello to the peeps.
Hello to the peeps.
So we have arrived and we've been here for about half an hour. 40 minutes. The apartment is absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful and there's such a lovely view. We've got a lovely view of the pool, which I'll show you a little bit later. I'll give you a little tour.
I haven't seen it yet.
He hasn't seen it yet.
I came in straight away. And...
So how about we document Jamie's reaction? You want to come out?
Yeah.
Let's go. So, Jamie's having a look. Have you seen the kitchen, Jamie?
I haven't. I literally had a brief look around.
Look how jazzy that
I'm
is.
so tired. Oh my god, that's lovely.
And then... Oh, he's gone into the kitchen. And now Jamie's gonna have a look at.
Oh, look at that.
I'll show you this.
Yeah, that is absolutely awesome. That is.
We had to edit some swear words out then. Okay, he's having his first look at the pool. This is the apartment. Very, very jazzy. Nice fireplace. How was your day?
This is my view. Taking in a bit of the vibes of Carvoeiro or Kiera. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I'm in a place that I can't pronounce, but it's absolutely beautiful. That man's got a fiddle, looks lit. See where I get my good looks from.
I'm the girlfriend.
And that's my girlfriend. This is my stepdad. Not where I get my good looks from, but pretty good looking guy.
Your mum thinks so.
Is that a your mum joke?
Received a recommendation to go for some drinks in this amazing cool bar that's literally in the rocks. This is where we're going. That's where we're going. So we're about to start walking down to the bar. It looks amazing.
It sort of seems like you descend into the rocks and
I was
the bar's
just
down there.
about to say we were about to start our descent. Yeah. I'm not very good at multitasking, just warning to you watchers out there.
I am not very good at walking downstairs in flip-flops.
And yeah, so we're going to get some nice drinks, maybe some cocktails, you never know.
Already buzzing.
This is what I'm talking about.
Clumsy
Where will she fall next? Who knows?
Clumsy travels with Kiera Marchand.
Clumsy travel.
She always has a good trip.
Catch you in there, bitches.
This is awesome. We just came out onto a lovely viewpoint that overlooks the sea. You can actually jump from here. So I was tempted, but it might be an idea to come back and do that later. To be continued.
So we just had a little nap because we couldn't function on 1.5 hours sleep. Jamie almost had to carry me up the long hill because I just couldn't hack it because I was so tired. But we bought these batida de banana Waikiki. I love this is so nice, honestly. It's good. We're gonna have to get a big bottle before we get the little ones to try it, just in case it was shit.
but it is not.
But it's not. with some parrots. I've heard the best thing that I've ever heard in my whole life. Jamie goes, do you reckon they're stapled to the thing?
I think they could be. They're not flying off, are they?
Hello? Hello?
Has he got to sniff my hand first? Is it like a cat? Hey, bird. Hey, man. What's your chin?
He seems alright with you.
Hey. Kiera has friend.
I made a new friend.
What you doing when I'm under your spell? You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? You got me begging you for mercy. Why won't you release me? You're right. I said release me.
Hey, Kiera, what are you drinking?
Photo bomb. Oh, the wrong side.
Batman!
I admire his level of performance, so I definitely can't do that.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Jamie. Thank you. Well done. Thank you. Please, Sky, please, Sky.
So we've woken up, in case you're wondering why I look a mess. I haven't brushed my hair yet. Jamie's just found the hairbrush because we lost it. I've just made some food. Some smoked salmon, some eggs and some bread. So we can get all fueled up to go in the pool, which we are right by. How awesome is this?
How's it going, Kiera? You alright?
Loving it.
You enjoying the stairs?
Muck loving it, man.
So we are headed up to wherever the hell we were yesterday. Algar Seco, that's the one. I'm going to get myself in a rock pool because that sea is just begging to be swam in. And I actually have the energy to do it today. Hi, Kiera.
Hello. So we've taken a little bit of a break today from vlogging because we've been eating, basically.
Yeah, all we've done is eat and drink, and that's like fairly standard fare for holidays.
Drinking Prosecco and then drinking a little bit of pina colada from a bottle.
Early
And we've just had ice
afternoon.
cream. I'm a very,
Dangerous.
very, very full girl right now. It's hard to walk because I'm that full.
Yeah, I gotta swim them calories off, I suppose.
Yes, definitely.
And these never-ending stairs, they're helping.
That's Tomalinas.
But yeah, Algar Seco, rock pool. Looking forward to that. Reach the destination. Fairly cool. There's more people here than you'd expect. It seems like quite a popular little spot.
Cold.
Brave. There you go, she's in.
We are in the rock pool.
Hello. Oh, my knees. Ow! Oh shit, yeah. I don't think it's a shrimp, it's like a little crustacean type thing.
It sounded really posh then.
It's a crustacean.
It's a little crustacean.
I'm doing my daddy I can breathe it.
In the rock pool.
You see Kiera in her natural habitat. This is one of those pools where it's like you haven't really got much control over where you're going. You can't just go where the ocean tells you to go. But it's really buoyant, like I usually just sink and I'm not sinking. She must go now. Her planet needs her. Titties. Ah! Ow! 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 Hey!
Hello. Here we are, not drowning in a rock pool. How's your day? I just kicked the rock. Someone just jumped in.
Rock pool, Algar Seco. Fully recommend.
Hello.
Hey.
So we survived.
We lived.
We did.
No
we
one
lived.
drowned. No
And,
one fell off the rocks.
It's 3 for 2, so naturally we got 3 cocktails. Obviously.
I've already had one.
And I haven't even started mine.
Don't order a Long Island iced tea when you're really thirsty because you will neck it and you will feel a bit buzzed. I'm not sure. I don't know. Take this.
I did tell you wouldn't like it.
What's in it? No, it's Blue Lagoon.
It's
Maybe I don't want to know what's in it.
It's like a blue liqueur.
It's very blue. It doesn't taste like blue, but it's blue. I don't know whether it's my thing. It's
like
great.
it.
It's great. It's amazing. Thank you, sir.
The waiter's right there, so. An insulting waiters, are you?
I'm insulted.
So me and Jamie have just ordered some amazing drinks from this gin bar.
The place is called The Gin Bar.
It's called The Gin Bar.
The Gin Bar. You want to take the plastic off your straw.
Gin Palace is what it's called.
Gin Palace.
The Palace. So this is called, what's this called, Ben? The Black Jelly Baby. And as he handed it to me, he said, watch your white clothes, because I'm wearing an all white jumpsuit, so I'll probably pick the worst drink to have.
This is an apple jack, which is apple puree, Jack Daniels, and apple sours.
I'm really jealous. I'm looking at it and I'm like, do you know, should we try each other's first?
Yeah.
That'll be different, won't it? Okay, I'm going to try
What's
Jamie's.
in your jack? But a black Jack jelly,
I'm a
baby.
black jack. Oh my god. That is beautiful.
Oh, I'm going to try this.
That might be my next drink.
That's amazing. It's literally a black jelly baby. Try it. We're going to try the drinks we actually ordered now. It's literally like a jelly baby. It's amazing, isn't it?
It tastes just like a jelly baby.
Let's do this one.
Oh my god, that's insane.
That's absolutely delicious. Oh my god, the Jack Daniels proper cuts through, doesn't it?
I love that. The ATM's giving us the perfect lighting.
Do you know, I used to think the ATM stood for access the money, because that's what you do.
Isn't that what it stands for?
I don't know what it stands for.
Access the money?
No, automated teller machine.
That sucks, man. It should be access,
Access the money. Access the money, bro.
We've just had some awesome cocktails. I had the black jelly baby. That's what it's called. Black jelly baby.
It was literally like sucking off a jelly baby. It was literally. I had something called an apple jack, which I believe you saw earlier. That was really nice. And then I had a Tennessee iced tea, which is basically you remove the rum and replace it with Jack Daniels. not as amazing, but still.
Yeah, it wasn't that great.
Still a good drink.
The bartender was lovely there. Like although he was quite funny, he's having his family over tomorrow, and he was like, "Yeah, definitely come
back, but not tomorrow."
So
And they were on the hunt for some munch.
we
need a house of munch to be.
We didn't have
open.
dinner earlier, but I wasn't really hungry, so I thought I'm just gonna have a drink, and then keep drinking until I feel pissed. And I still do not feel pissed, so that didn't really work out.
I'm pissed.
But yeah, we're on the fun for food.
We're on the
Fun for some food. You get me?
You get me still. We're taking our bullshit out into the streets of Portugal. Kiera, please. Drink my banana liqueur.